Where are we going?
Before we say where we are going, I was a student and now we are getting awarded together, man.
Alright, we're going to the Dubai Forex Summit, guys. He scheduled it, so we're just entering the compound, and we're gonna get some awards. I don't know what this is all about. I trust Ali here, and let's see. I'll show you guys what the Dubai Forex Summit looks like 2025. And this is us entering, guys. All right, see you guys on the inside. Alrighty, guys, so we're here at the Dubai Forex Summit. So got an invite here for the ceremony. Get awarded something for being a good trader. So let's see how it goes. So we're heading now to the ceremony, but it's basically what this is all about, guys. Is it's brokers, it's influencers, it's everybody. And I've never been to these things. I've never really wanted to be here, but it's good. It's good to be. We got our visitor pass, and basically, it's brokers. It's just a marketing campaign for brokers and a few traders. So yeah, we're going to the hall one now. Yeah. Alrighty, guys, lighting is not great here, but there's a lot of average Joes here that really think if they come here to network, they'll make a killing. This is nothing but a marketing campaign, right? And it's great for those marketing, like the ones behind me. You see all these brands? The average Joe is not making a cent out of this. 95% failure rate. Remember that, guys. The only winners are these guys. Woo! Luca from Discord. Met him here with Ali at the conference, Dubai Summit, Dubai Forex Summit. What did they invite me? I mean, I talk so many bad things about this industry. They invite me, you know. It's funny. It's funny.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in making a huge cheer for Zed Monopoly.
So we finished up, we got our award, and now we're heading back.
So happy.
Yeah, I thought they'd give us some food, some actual awards. They just give me a little thing. Man, even Luca is upset back there.